My name is Eric Mooney with SkipperBud's, and I'm going to walk you through a 2023 Axopar 28 cabin. This boat's equipped with a Mercury 300 horsepower Verado with just under 75 hours on it. Easy access onto the platform and then into the cockpit. Pretty good spacing. Support rails for your back here, rod holders for fishing, cool box, sink, prep area, some storage, and then storage hatches, lockers on either side. You can walk around both sides of the boat with entry into the cabin on both sides. I'm going to start up here in the bow. Nice bow seating, access for short plug-in, filler cushion here on the floor, and then there is storage underneath the seat and in the floor. Vacuum flush head, sink, pretty good space down below. This boat is a Brabus edition, so you can see the Brabus logos and then the upgraded stitching upholstery on the boat. Comfortable seating in the pilot house. You can actually lift both of these up. Your sink, and then another cool box on the left side. There is a sunroof that opens all the way up. And then Simrad electronics, Simrad VHF, GPS, and then trim tab control. It does have a bow thruster. And then again, upgraded steering wheel with the Brabus upholstery. Enclosed cabin sits 5 comfortably. Big kids have maybe a couple more. And then, like I said, the bow seating. And then there is space obviously in the back as well. But easy to get around, and just a fun looking boat, pretty unique to compared to what you're used to seeing in traditional center console walk around boats. This particular boat's located at our Marblehead, Ohio facility. Please feel free to reach out to your local SkipperBud's representative to schedule a showing.